for the average user. Like I said, this is the third model. This is a previous model. Like I said, for this one, it's got a 6K camera. Like this one's just a little bit of a downgrade from his. This is still an upgrade from an actual, usually what you'll do is you'll have your phone mounted up to the controller, and it'll actually be connected, and you use your phone to broadcast through the drone there. Like his, there's sensors all around it, on the bottom, front, back, and sides, so that way to prevent it from crashing into anything. I mean, the only thing that he doesn't have that we have are cool flashing, propellers. But other than that, I think more or less he went over everything that the DJI has to offer. Do you guys have any questions basically on kind of the user side of it, or like interested in getting a drone or anything like that?
I'm definitely interested in maybe having you help me with my program.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I can definitely help you with that. Like I said, he already went over basically the majority of what DJI is and everything. So if you guys want to put your hands on it, look at them, take a look at the batteries, you can. They just pop out. This one has the lightweight one, and then here's a bigger battery that you can buy that'll last a little bit longer. So, and then like he was saying, this one has an RFID chip on it. So like he said, you can scan it and it'll pop up and register. So.
It's already built in?
No, this one, like he was saying, it does have one that it actually can, like it said, for the new law that's coming out, it actually has it built in, yes, but then he also has this one just to identify it for just our purposes, for, like he was saying, to put it into an Excel spreadsheet. So yeah, most of this, these are all just add-ons. This is like just the covers. You're supposed to have these on while you're inside flying. If you're outside, you don't have to have them on, but more or less this is, like I said, adding these on and this on, it's past the 250 grams. So.
Did you make the covers?
These ones? No, these ones came with the,
okay.
actually came with it. The only thing that I've 3D printed really for the drones are those egg droppers, really. Those just, yeah, those ones just pop onto there. The kids over there, they actually have little cartels, and it'll actually just snap right onto there. So.
That'd be great for Easter.
Yeah. Yeah. So. Yeah. But I'll probably, since he basically went over all of the DJI, so if you guys want to turn over to the kids,
okay.
They have their Artels over there.
Television.
What was it?
They're tellers.
Oh, Telos.